Hey, beautiful learner. Welcome back to Learn English with Emma. Today, I want you to do something powerful, something that helps you speak, think, and feel English naturally. You're not just listening today. You're shadowing. That means you'll repeat everything after me, slowly, clearly, and confidently. You'll learn real English sentences that people use every single day. And by the end of this, you'll sound smoother, more natural, and more confident in every conversation. Before we begin, I have something special for you. I'm giving away a free ebook called Learn English with Confidence. It's full of real dialogues, speaking tips, and short daily lessons you can use anywhere. To enter, you have to subscribe and drop a comment "I am in." Now, get comfortable, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start with simple, meaningful English you can use in the morning. Listen first, then shadow after me. Emma, good morning. It's a new day. I'm thankful for today. I feel ready to do my best. I'm learning. I'm growing, and I'm proud of myself. Now, let's make it sound natural. Follow my rhythm. Good morning. It's a new day, and I'm ready to do my best. I'm learning. I'm growing, and I'm proud of myself. Now, answer me. When do you usually feel your best? In the morning or at night? Say it out loud. Beautiful. That's your first daily reflection in English. Now, let's move to a place we all love, a cafe. This is how you can order food or coffee politely and naturally. Hi, can I have a cup of coffee, please? I'd like it with milk and sugar. Thank you very much. Now, a little longer and smoother. Hi, can I have a cup of coffee, please? I'd like it with milk and sugar. Thank you very much. It smells amazing. Now, listen to this real conversation and repeat after me. Hi, can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend today? That sounds nice. I'll take one of those, please. Can I also get a bottle of water? Thank you so much. Perfect. That's how you sound polite, calm, and confident, like a native speaker. Let's move to everyday English, friendly conversations you can have anywhere. Hey, how's your day going? Pretty good, thanks. How about you? It's been busy, but I can't complain. That's good to hear. Now repeat naturally with flow. Hey, how's your day going? Pretty good, thanks. How about you? It's been busy, but I can't complain. That's good to hear. Now I'll ask you a question. What kind of days make you feel happy and peaceful? Say your answer out loud. That's right. Speaking your feelings in English builds real fluency. Now, let's practice useful English for your workplace or school. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Let's start with today's meeting. I finished the report you asked for. Here it is. Please have a look. If you have any feedback, I'd be happy to make changes. Now, a little faster. Shadow my rhythm. Good morning, everyone. I finished the report you asked for. Please have a look. If you have any feedback, I'd be happy to make changes. That's professional, polite, and confident English. Now I want you to practice one question you can ask at work. Could you explain that again, please? That's a great phrase for clarity and confidence. Now the day is ending. Let's slow down and speak with gratitude. Today, I learned something new. I made small mistakes, but I kept going. I'm proud of my effort. Tomorrow I'll do even better. Now, say it with emotion. Today, I learned something new. I made small mistakes, but I kept going. I'm proud of my effort, and tomorrow I'll do even better. Now tell me, quietly, what did you learn about yourself today? Beautiful. All right, beautiful learner. Let's move to the next part, small talk with a friend. These are the kinds of conversations that help you sound friendly, confident, and natural in English. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Shadow my tone, rhythm, and feeling, not just my words. Sentences for shadowing. Hey, it's been such a long time since we met. How have you been lately? I've been quite busy with work, but I'm really glad we're catching up today.
How about you?
Anything new or exciting happening in your life? You know, sometimes I forget how good it feels to just talk and laugh with a friend. Life can be stressful, but moments like these remind me what really matters. We should do this more often. It always lifts my mood. I really appreciate your friendship. It means a lot to me. Take a deep breath and repeat each sentence one more time, slowly this time. Feel the words. This is how English becomes part of you. When you don't just speak it, you feel it. Now, let's move on to something more personal, talking about your day. This is one of the most common ways to practice English. You can do this with a friend or even just in front of a mirror. I'll say a sentence and you repeat it after me. Ready? Sentences for shadowing. Today was a bit tiring, but I'm proud of what I accomplished. I started my morning with a cup of coffee and a short walk. At work, I had a few challenges, but I handled them calmly. I'm learning to stay patient, even when things don't go as planned. During lunch, I talked to a colleague about traveling. It was fun. In the evening, I like to slow down, listen to music, and reflect on my day. No matter how busy life gets, I try to end each day with gratitude. Beautiful. These are not just sentences, they're mindful reflections. When you shadow them, you're not only learning English, you're building calmness, confidence, and emotional strength. All right, beautiful learner. Now it's time for a little listening activity. I'm going to read a short paragraph. Your job is simple. Just listen carefully and try to understand the main idea. After you finish listening, go to the comments section and tell me, what was this paragraph about? Write it in your own words. Don't worry about grammar. Just try to express what you understood. Okay, ready? Here's the paragraph. Every morning, I take a few minutes to sit quietly before I start my day. I think about what I'm thankful for, my family, my health, and the small things that make life beautiful. Sometimes I plan my goals, but other times I just breathe and enjoy the silence. I believe that when we start our day with calmness, we make better choices and feel more confident. Now let's talk about it. What did this paragraph say? In simple words, it was about starting your day with peace and gratitude. It reminds us that even a few quiet minutes can make a big difference in how we feel. So now, I want you to write your version in the comments. Tell me what you understood in your own words. And remember, there are no wrong answers here. Every thought matters. All right, beautiful learner. Now let's take a little world tour together. English is a global language. People speak it in many countries, but each place has its own accent, rhythm, and style. In this section, we'll talk about 5 countries where English is used every day. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and imagine you're speaking with someone from that country. 1. The United States, USA. In the United States, people speak English fast and confidently. They often use expressions like, "What's up?" or "How's it going?" Repeat after me. "Hey, how's it going?" "I'm doing great. Thanks for asking." In American English, people sound friendly and casual, like they're talking to a friend. 2. The United Kingdom, UK. In the United Kingdom, English sounds polite and clear. People often say, "How do you do?" or "Would you like a cup of tea?" Repeat after me. "Good morning. How do you do?" "Would you like a cup of tea?" British English feels formal, calm, and a little musical. It's beautiful to listen to. 3. Australia. In Australia, people speak English with an easygoing, relaxed tone. They love using short forms, like brekkie for breakfast or arvo for afternoon. Repeat after me. "Day mate, how's your arvo going?" "Let's grab some brekkie by the beach." Australian English is warm, friendly, and full of energy. 4. Canada. In Canada, people sound polite and gentle. They often end sentences with "eh." It's a friendly way to check if you agree. Repeat after me. "It's a beautiful day, ah." "Thanks for helping me out, ah." Canadian English is soft, kind, and very welcoming. 5. India. In India, English is spoken by millions of people every day. It has its own unique rhythm and accent, clear, confident, and expressive. Repeat after me. "Good morning. How are you doing today?" Please let me know if you need any help. And that brings us to the end of today's podcast, Beautiful Learner. You've just spent listening, shadowing, and speaking English with confidence, and that's something to be truly proud of. You practiced real conversations, meaningful sentences, and even took a short trip around the world through language. Every word you repeated, every sentence you spoke, it's helping you sound more natural, more confident, and more fluent each day. Remember, learning English isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Some days your words will flow easily, and other days they won't, and that's okay. The important thing is that you keep going. And now, I'd love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, which part of today's practice was your favorite? Was it the daily conversations, the world accents, or the listening activity? I read every comment, and your words always inspire me to create even better lessons for you. Thank you for learning with me today. This is Emma, reminding you are doing better than you think. Stay kind to yourself, keep speaking, and never stop learning. See you soon in the next episode.